Can you build a computer for just $280 featuring an RX and an i5? I don't know about you, but I think I can. I've actually done it, so I've got everything to prove. Roll the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is RX, and today we have a $280 gaming PC, like I said in the intro. It's featuring a semi-current gen graphics card. It's featuring an i5, a decent i5, not some trashy, second or third gen i5. It's featuring a water cooler, which was originally supposed to go in my main rig, but my main rig does not support. It does support it, but the airflow will just not be there. So we're not going to be using it for that. I'm just going to stick with like a snowman cooler. It does the job, keeps it like about 60 degrees. I'm happy with that. And then we're also going to be slapping in an SD hard drive. And the best part about it was the case was shipped for really, really cheap. And also the RGB, well, I mean, RGB is like dirt cheap. So I actually have to go ahead and mod that to a SATA so that I can actually plug it into the power supply and not plug it in the USB. Because the thing is, with this whole pandemic, schools have shut down here in Victoria. Well, tomorrow they will shut down. Today's Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday. You can go read the news. The thing is, I actually can't order anything from China that will either arrive in time or for a decent price. Either Australian stock is, well, priced higher because it's Australian stock, or you just can't find that special thing. The special thing I was looking for was a RGB controller, because I've already got RGB strips, but I need an RGB controller that was on Molex or SATA. The only ones that are available from China, and that's 2 months away, and there's just no way I'm going to wait for 2 months for another rig. I'm sorry, but it's just not going to happen. So I just went ahead and bought a 5-volt USB one. Worst comes worst, if I'm not able to mod it, I can plug it into the back of the PC, or we can plug it into a USB 2.0 port. I've got a bunch of them just laying around because I've taken them off dead motherboards. Actually, it's probably what I'm going to do. So I'm able to do that, which is really good, but I have to mod it myself. So to make it look clean, I'm going to have to mod it myself. Otherwise, it's just going to stick in the back and it's just going to look horrible. So without me babbling any further, we're going to go into the specs of this PC. The build, the clean, I mean, I've got like what? 2 things that need cleaning, the graphics card and the motherboard. The rest is pretty much new, or like really clean. And then the performance. And then of course I'm going to throw in temps because we are dealing with a water cooler. So without further ado, roll the montage.
Baby, you
Probably shouldn't be doing this, to be honest. Shouldn't be doing that, but the PC we built today is what I built it. All right, you didn't build, I built it. You came along for the ride. It's the best bang for buck PC I've ever built. Probably one of the best PCs I've ever seen on the internet, to be honest. Go and rival me a PC for probably 250 USD perhaps? No, way less, like 200 USD. Because our dollars just plummeted right now. Go and find myself a 200 USD PC that doesn't feature some shitty Ryzen, 1300 or the 2200G. Go find a proper RX build with a 4th gen, actually nice looking case, RGB as well. You go find that for 200 USD or 380. You go find that. I think that I've probably built one of the best PCs ever. Off of stuff that I found off of Facebook. Now this trails into something that I want to talk about. Like my PC, you saw the FPS, you can make your own mind up, is it good or not. I think it's perfect. I sold it in a day. I sold it today. I put it up for listing. Like this, I'm making the outro now. I put it up for listing. It was sold in 30 flat minutes. Come and pick it up today, tomorrow. I mean, not for what I wanted, but for a bit less. I mean, sell now, I can get the cash now, and I can go into building older stuff, but I'm still building. I've got 2 cases in the back which are from MSY, so I need the cash, so sold it straight away. But it's trailing into now that I've seen that prices for older gen stuff is plummeting. Like the stuff's just going down, like it's just going down. And stuff for newer stuff like 1650s, Core i9s, 9th gen, 10th gen even now? I don't think it is. Even Ryzen's are going up. They're all going really bad up. But those other components, they're going up. Well, lower end components like 4th gens, RX470s. I haven't seen any 580s for a good price yet, but 470 and 570s, they're going down. Cases are cheap. Like now you can get the case that I showcased at the beginning of the video. I'll show it again. This case right here, you can get that for $45, so that's pretty damn good. Prices are indeed going down for older gen stuff. For newer gen stuff, well, they're going up. And I do want to shit on my favorite YouTuber, Take Your City. He said the price is going up. He's going to have to get used to paying stuff high. Buddy, I haven't found anything over $100 for an RX. The deals I've been picking up, they're just been deals that I just found. I didn't bargain with them. I found them like that. I just went and picking up all mine. So him going up, paying like $120 for an RX 470, oh yeah. It's a bit steep. He's like, oh, I mean, he used to get them for like $50 each, but probably going back down then up to 90 now. If they take in consideration people's bargaining levels, but like their prices are going really down. Or the only thing that I've noticed which is hard to find, power supplies for a good price. Most of them are around $40. Man, I need to get some for $20. And goddamn it, SSDs. SSDs are just. There used to be a 120 gigabyte Western Digital Green SSD. These are SATA 3.2-inch ones. They were $30. They're going to $50 on MSY. 45, 50? One of those two. So it's been like a nearly doubling of price. So PC building in that regard is hard. And this trails into something else I want to talk about. Probably, hopefully I don't take this too long. PC building has never been, to flip PCs, has never been better than now. You want to build a PC for a decent price, sell it for a decent price, you're gonna get someone buying it in like a day or two. I promise you that. You have a good deal on a PC, someone's gonna pick it up. This PC here, $300, I put it up for $400, 30 minutes gone. I mean, with all due respect, it takes me for fucking ever to make a video. It takes me forever to build a PC, alright? And with the amount of stuff I put into it. But yeah, nah, it's PC building has never been better than this. I've talked to a friend who lives at Brooklyn. He says that he's just putting up rigs and they're going like that. They're going. So I think that right now the best time to sell is right now, before your country goes into a lockdown. Or if you know your country is going into a lockdown, people are going to be looking for it because they need something to entertain their kids with. So your best point is to sell them. Now, don't go ripping people off. Don't go around being a dog. Sell it for what's fair. Of course, put your premium on top of it, but don't be going a dog. Don't be a dog. Go on some for a reasonable price. Don't go saying 960s for $100 when in reality they're worth $40 to $50. Okay? If I can find RX570s which will crush them in every single performance test I've ever seen in my life, I'm never getting my hands on 960s because they're too expensive. So go sell. Now is the time to sell. Now time to go. Perfect time to buy and perfect time to build. So it's a win-win for you. It's genuinely a win-win for you. So right now, today again, I went and picked up 2 cases. I also picked up this little combo here. My snowman cooler finally arrived. So I've taken the fan off of that, put it on. I've done messy things. I think I've got this motherboard and that. The motherboard was $40 and the CPU was, motherboard was $5 and the CPU was $40. This is an X3470. I actually used to have one of those in my rigs before it killed itself. So yeah, now is the time to build. So without further ado, thank you for watching Mike's Tech. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'm definitely coming out with a PC either probably this month again, in April, 2 builds for April, or otherwise you're going to be waiting until March. So without further ado, today's March. What the hell am I on about? So without further ado, thank you for watching Mike's Tech. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. See you guys.